Hey nail techs, it's Jill Wright with nailtechevent.com bringing you another business tip of the day. When you're just starting out and you're shopping for supplies, you're a new tech, you're just gonna open up your first shop, or you're going into booth rental situation and you're just starting to gather up the supplies you need. You should be doing this months in advance while you're still working whatever job you've got going on. I just did a video on how you do that, so I won't go into all that here. I'll have that video uploaded on YouTube. You can check it out. And what we're gonna talk now about is don't try to be a mega salon when you're just starting out. Don't borrow money, don't go into debt, don't put it on your credit card unless you could pay that balance in full at the end of the month. I've seen it, I did it myself. I didn't put it on a credit card, but I spent a lot of money. I started trying to do everything that the spa that I had left was doing. I was trying to provide that for my clients. And I would have been a whole lot better off if I had just taken and gotten the basics. Just get your basic manicure supplies. I already had a full clientele, let me just say that. And when I left the spa, I lost 50% of them. That is normal. So I didn't really need to go buy all this spa stuff when if I'd have just looked at my books, I would have seen all those people were getting acrylics. That was back before gel polish and all that. So they were all pretty much getting acrylics. So I had a few spa manicures and spa pedicures and stuff, but I didn't have so much that warranted all this spa frou-frou stuff, furnishings and this and that I had bought. Now, I didn't go into debt, I paid cash, but I could have used that cash for something else, instead of wasting it on that mess. And I could have put it into investments, a Roth IRA, and it would have been growing, but it's not growing because I had bought all the spa stuff that I really didn't need. So just remember, when you're starting out, start off humble and start off small and just offer your clients the basics. Look at your client base. If you've already got a client base and you're leaving the shop, look and see what are the main things that those clients are getting, and then just go buy those products and try to get them on deal. And so that's another video I had done about buying on deal and buying in bulk. But you want to just start off with the basic supplies that you need for a manicure, the basic supplies you're going to need for a pedicure. If you have a lot of pedicure clients, you want to get another upgraded pedicure line and charge at least $10 more for that, because that is going to give them better results. And that's for people whose feet are like labor intensive and they need the extra, care, what have you. Just get basic box of tips, whatever you like to use, small kit of the acrylic, and then start working on your clients. And then you'll be able to see, as you're going along working on whatever clients you do have, you're going to be able to start setting aside money for deals that come down the pike. So that is my tip to you, to just start off small, start off humble. Don't go in the hole. Don't buy a whole bunch of stuff that's pretty much not necessary. You can always upgrade to that later on as the money starts coming in from your booth rental situation. So anyway, that is a quick business tip. Peace out, nail techs. We'll see you next time.